Hi all. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can access Coursera courses for free. So I'm gonna show you step by step so that everything gets clear to you and you don't get confused. So stay connected till the end of this video so that you don't miss anything. And I will request you all guys to must subscribe our channel because it really motivates me to do research and bring useful content for you. So let's target 100 likes for this video. And without wasting any time, let's start this video. So you have to search for Infosys Springboard on Google, okay, and look for this website. I will give the website link in description. Once you reach this website, click here and you will be headed to this page, okay. So as I already registered, it is showing me home page like this, okay. But for you, you have to register first. It will ask for the basic details like date of birth, your email account, and that's it. And I will suggest you to register with the email that is not linked to any of your Coursera accounts. Okay, so keep it in mind. Register here with the email that is not linked to any of your Coursera account. So once you have registered here, you will see this home page. Okay, so basically this is the Infosys Springboard program that is offering various courses for free. This can be availed by any of you, okay? You can be a student, a working professional, or anyone, okay? So it's not like it's eligible to only students or something. It can be accessed by anyone. So once you get this page, you can see the different options here, okay? Level up skills, level up your skills with Coursera or Infosys Springboard. Explore now this page when it is showing, and it is showing something related to Udemy. So there are many Udemy courses as well that are being offered here for free, and there are different things as well. So let's focus on Coursera part for now. So let's click here and it will show the all Coursera courses that they are offering for free. Okay, so you can see the filters option here on the left side, and you can see the different platforms as well. If I scroll here, you can see Skillsoft, Udemy, AWS. So there are thousands of courses that are available for free here. I already enrolled for this course, Machine Learning for All, and I'm learning on this. And I will suggest you guys as well to register for this if you are interested. So how you can navigate to get the free course, right? Let me show you. So let's search for this course, okay, Machine Learning for All. For example, if you want to enroll for this course for free, okay, you have to search for course here. It is showing up here, okay. So let's click this, click the start button, and it will show up in the new window, okay. So it's redirecting me. It may take few seconds. Yeah, as I am already enrolled to this course, so it is showing up like this. And for you, you will get the enroll option here. Once this website redirect you here, you will get the enroll option here. So you can just click it and you will be enrolled in that course for free. So let's close this window. So let's search for this course as well, because I already searched for many courses and few of them are available and many of them are not available. I have filtered out some courses with courses for you, and some of them are available and some of them are not available. To be honest, I'm not gonna waste your time. I'm gonna show you the real method that you can apply to get the free courses. So this one is available. Click the start button here. It may take some time. Yeah. So this one is also, I just enrolled. Okay. Actually, I recorded video previously, but there was some audio issue in that. So I have to re-record this video. So let's close this. And I'm going to show you one course that is not available. This course is also available actually. Data security from Cisco. This one you can also complete and add it in your resume. So let's search. This one is from Cisco. Let's click here and click the start button. It takes few seconds and here it comes. So this one is also available. As I have already enrolled, that's why it is showing me like this. But as you will be clicking here for the first time, you will be getting the enroll button here. Okay, so keep that in mind. Let's show you this course. This one is not actually available here. So let's search for here, and it is showing up here. Google Analytics certification. This one is not correct one we are looking for. Google Data Analytics. Yeah. So let's click it. Let's click the start button. So you see, this one is not currently available to all learners in the program. So not a problem. Let's close this. Let's search for something different. Let's search for this one, IBM Data Science. I don't know if it is available or not. IBM Data Science. Okay. Let's click the start button. No, bro. This one is also not available. So let's go back and let's search for this one. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, this one is available, bro. So you see, you will get the enroll option like this. Okay. When you click the course from there. Okay. So let's enroll. Yeah, we enroll. And you can learn various skills here. Okay. Because I see there are many other platforms as well that are offering courses for free here. Hmm. Let's see. It is from some different platform. Okay, I'm not interested for this. I just wanted to show you how you can see the courses from other platforms like Udemy here. Okay, so you search for the Linux here, click for the course, and you can filter the source here, source option, and choose the platform here, Udemy, Coursera or Skillsoft. Okay, let's click the Udemy, and this one is also there. Let's click start. I don't know how it will be because this video is particularly for Coursera, but let's see. No, I'm not getting anything here. So you can explore yourself here. I showed you the way. Now you have to run yourself. So let's target 100 likes for this video. Thanks a lot for staying connected with me till the end of this video. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, you can leave a comment in the comment section. I will try to sort it out. If you have any doubt, you can leave a comment. Okay. And must subscribe our channel as many more videos will be coming soon. So thanks a lot. Bye bye. Keep learning and keep growing.